What's going on, guys? So we are going to get started today. We just got this codion tube front end kit in the mail. Yeah, should I say it right here? I'm sure I'm butchering it, but codion. We ordered it from Cody over there. He has been awesome so far, man. The customer service on this stuff has been insanely fantastic. I can't say enough about it. Yeah, everything's just been great. Pulled out, we got the chromoly kit. It's all pre-notched. Get it all laid out, packaged up really nice. Alright. Alright, so here's everything unpackaged and everything. There's the guys right there. But yeah, man, everything is really, really nice. All the welds are really good. Some nice, pretty welds. Everything's pre-notched, all that good stuff. But yeah, this is the chromoly kit. I think he has the chromoly, the mod steel, and then one other one, I believe. But yeah, shipping was super good, man. He keeps you updated on everything when everything's coming. Like I said, the customer service for this has been insanely good. I have no negative things to say at all. But go here and check out how it's gonna look on there. Yeah, well, I'm not gonna weld this. I've never welded chromoly before, so if it was the mild steel kit, I'd probably do it myself. But I'm gonna take it over to my buddies over at Full Lock Automotive, and they're gonna handle that for me. But that's about how it's gonna go on there. Cut all this stuff out of here. We'll probably get started. We'll probably get cutting today, get it all cut off, and then get it taken over there to him. Throw it on the trailer, take it over there to him. Let him do his magic and make it all fit right. We just ordered the new AJEK member and tubular control arms, all that stuff. So we'll be pulling all this stuff out. Hopefully in the next couple days we'll be able to pull it all out and get it going. So I'm excited, man. Like I said, a big shout out to Cody. He was awesome. Everything looks fantastic. All right, let's get started. All right, first thing is gonna be the most important. Came with some stickers, so you gotta go over here, get the stickers on the fridge, one-handed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna get started cutting this front end off. Like I said, I'm not gonna do the welding, so I'm gonna cut it a little long. That way it gives the welder, he can, grind it back. That way I don't cut too much off of it. So let's see. Like I said, they send some pretty good instructions too. So your first cut is going to be measured from this square here, back side of this square. So you go to the back side of the square. I think it's supposed to be, let's see, I think it's like 11 7/16 from that point, so I'll probably cut it 12 there. Bring it back right there. A little paint pen. I'll probably cut it right out there. And then the bottom one, let's see, it says right there. So yeah, so about 5.5 inches from this square right here, the back side of that square, you go 5.5. We're doing this shit upside down, so 5.5 is going to be, I'm going to do with one hand, right about here. Alright, so we'll just follow that cut up and put some tape on it so we can make sure our line stays clean. I can see it all the way down. But yeah, so we're gonna go, I think it said right about 12. I'm gonna cut 12 inches on the top from this square here, 12 inches, and then from this other square here, backside of it, 5.5 inches, I believe it was. That way, once you get it there, you can cut it and then scoot it back, grind away, make it fit nice and flush after you start welding. So, alright, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting this bad boy. I got my gold line right there and right there. I just started cutting because I got a little excited. But I just ran a piece of tape down so I could see everything while I'm cutting. And then on both sides. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and get everything cut out. Oh, I did have to make sure my fuel lines were down here. Can't really see it. There's a little bracket you have to pull off to move them out of the way so you don't cut them. But yeah, other than that, she is ready to go. Yeah. All right. Got a little piece there. Well, that's her. Damn, that's scary, huh? That'll freak you out right there. I want to weigh these and see what different weights these are. How much weight you lose from cutting the front off. I'll do that. Alright, well, she's off. I'm stupid and didn't jack the front of it up, so when it, at the end when I cut it, it just fell to the ground and splashed power steering fluid all over me. But yeah, so I gotta clean up all this, get all this stuff out of here, clean up all these edges. But I mean, other than that, wasn't bad at all. Just that extra piece off there. That motherfucker's staying there because it hurt. But yeah, I mean, cut all this stuff back. Like I said, I cut all this stuff pretty long. It'll come back another inch or so. That way they can tidy it up and make all the fitments really nice. So we shall see. But she's off. I think it looks wild. Really excited to see with the AJUK member. And alrighty, so we finished cutting the front off. Started mocking everything up just to kind of see how it would fit. And like I said, I cut, you know, not nearly enough off, but once I get to the welder, he'll trim all that stuff back. That way I didn't take too much off on accident type thing. So, but even just with tape mock up, I mean, it's already still really close. I mean, the notches are all really good. Everything fits like it should. So far, I mean, it looks sick. I'm so excited. I'm excited to get this over to full lock and let Ernie do his thing. Get her all together. Man, this is sick. Alright, so we got the front cut off. Here's the tube front here. Got my scale. We're going to weigh them just to kind of see, you know, roughly the weight loss. I don't have a sway bar in my car, or I didn't have the crash bar either up front, so I'm gonna probably add like 20-25 pounds to whatever this weighs, to give you like a more realistic number. But here we go. Sit this over here real fast. This is 54 pounds. Fuck. 22. So 54, take 54 and plus 20. So 74, so we're dropping 50 pounds off the front end with just doing this. I think that's pretty good, 50 pounds. Plus we're gonna do the tubular K-member and all that, so that'll drop weight too, but I mean, we're gonna add all that weight back in turbo and stuff like that, so. But yeah, that's not bad, 50 pounds off the front end. That will definitely help. All right, so we just finished the AJE K-member install. Went in pretty good. We had to get new struts because I accidentally drilled into the top of the OEM struts I was gonna try to run, but that ended up being better anyways, so. But we still got the manual rack in there, or I'm sorry, the power steering rack in there. We got a manual rack on the way, but I just kind of put it into, we gotta move the wheels at the same time. But the only thing I saw with the AJE K-member is, I don't know if I think these control arms are a little shorter, or I'm sorry, longer. So it pushes the tire out on each side a little bit. So if you were to try to run it stock, you'd have to adjust the tie rods because it pushes each side out like a good inch. So that's the only thing I've seen, but other than that, everything went really well. And that's it.